What is up, everybody? So today I am going to be converting my mountain bike wheels over to tubeless tires. I've already done one. You can hear the sealant sloshing around in there, and it's held up. It's held pressure. I did this one, let's see, 3 days ago, and it is still holding pressure. So I am happy that I got this one mounted. Now the other one, you can see that this one is on the rim. However, it is not tubeless. I have a tube in here, mostly so that I can seat the bead to the shape of my rim. That was a tip that I saw somewhere online. So I was just trying it out, and hopefully I can get this one to seat now, because I could not get this one to seat with a floor pump. And you're supposed to be able to seat them with a floor pump, not just with an air compressor, which I do have a compressor, but I want to be able to do it with a floor pump. This was really frustrating when I was doing it a couple of days ago, so let's see if it does it now. Yes! That's seated. First try. Oh yeah, that was the trick. So the trick is, put an inner tube inside, let it sit overnight or for a couple of days, and then try seating it, and use lots of soapy water. That is a big point right there. Okay, cool. Now I gotta take it loose and put some sealant in. Got to seat again. I didn't think I was going to get it to do it again. There for a minute. Well, there you go. Short, sweet little video about my mountain bike tires. I will be continuing this video series, I guess you could call it. I'm going to put some other videos up of bleeding the brakes and maybe cleaning or something, cleaning the bike up. But I'm going to get the mountain bike ready, and I should be riding it this season. So look forward to videos of mountain bike riding. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button, so then you can see when I upload those videos. Thank you so much for watching.